What time is he coming?
Hey, Chris! Hey, advertise for the car wash. Be sexy.
Car wash.
We're the straight guy on US 1.
3 times on US 1.
Did gay guys honk at you?
Someone honked in there. Don't know.
Someone honked at Alika too. Yeah.
Which way are you going? Someone want bread? I need to get my phone and I have no idea. We're going to a friend's house. Oh, you can eat it. I'm not going home.
Just do it. Arabian. I mean, Arabian.
What was that?
Oh, you gotta stop my bun. Chill. I'm dry. Yo. No!
They look like on Sheridan, like by Sheridan. Okay,
Oops.
I don't know. What happened? Hey, when you guys go in there and ask Lily for trash bags and stuff?
Possibly.
Hole in the clock.
Yeah, hole in pants too.
Hey, that was the car wash.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
It is.
Next week we're here. Last night and
I know, right? I hate cookies.
we'll try here. We'll go put this in your party. Daisy, you want to go get the new one, like Alex.
Okay.
Don't linger too long.
I love that.
Where's my shirt? Yeah, what's up? Where's my shirt? Alex, where was it? Right there. The red and blue. The gray.